Hey everyone, Titan here. Just want to quickly make a quick video on the Agent SPE that is up for proposal in the Livepeer Treasury. So if you don't want to read the whole proposal here in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to break down what the proposal is and what we plan to do with it. So let's get started real quick. What is the Agent SPE? Well, the Agent Special Purpose Entity, that's what SPE stands for, is a team of people building the Livepeer pipelines into agent frameworks. So, you've seen these AI agents everywhere, Eliza, AIXBT and ZeroBro and Gaudius Maximus, and these are all built on AI frameworks. Now, Eliza is the #1 framework for AI agents. It's also the #1 GitHub repo in the world, the most stars and most forks. So we have been working and building some implementations with Eliza. We want to make an official SPE to get some funds in the hands of the developers and people who are going to go into these communities and implement Livepeer as a forefront inference provider for these. So how are we going to do it? We have a two-pronged approach, essentially. The first, we want to get developers using the current Livepeer pipelines. So right now, Livepeer does like image generation and LLM text generation. Those are really low-hanging fruit. We've already implemented the image generation into Eliza. This week, we're going to be launching the LLM generation. So we're already almost done that portion of the integration. Now, what we want to do with this SPE is first build that developer pipeline. We want a big pipeline of developers using Livepeer. So for image generation, LLM generation, we want to build up 50, 100, whatever developers using Livepeer. The second prong is when the real-time video AI pipeline comes out with Livepeer, right? Livepeer is all about video. When that pipeline comes out, we want to have already 100 developers already integrated with Livepeer, and we can say, use our new plugin, use our new pipeline, and make it go viral, right? So the idea is, let's start them off. Let's get in there with a community support. So we got 3 people on the team, all about community support, getting people to use Livepeer, and then we have 1 engineer who's going to be building out the pipelines and all this. So two-prong approach. First, get the developers using our current pipelines. Second, get the developers into our real-time video AI pipeline when it's launched. So that's kind of the mission and the plan for the SPE. Now the SPE isn't going to be working on anything Livepeer related. So we're not doing any Livepeer code. We're not doing any Livepeer ecosystem stuff. We're going to be focused solely on the frameworks. So our members are going to be in the Eliza Discord, helping developers there. We're going to be in other repos, in the Eliza repo, in the Virtuals repo. We're going to be over there committing code and doing pull requests. So we are a covert team heading into different ecosystems. So a quick breakdown of the team. Define is our engineer. He is planning to put in 100 hours a week. He's an absolute machine, cooking code every day. Go check him out. He's doing great stuff. So he's going to be the head guy. Most of the funds are going for his wages and employment so that he can hammer this for the next 3 months. Mayor is going to be our promotion and marketing for getting the Livepeer brand and name out there in the agent world. And then Phoenix and myself are going to be dealing in Discord and managing the program. So that is the team. There's 4 of us. The proposal itself is just a 3-month proposal. So we don't want to overcommit to over specific things. So we're going to do a 3-month proposal. We're going to ask for 6,440 LPT to cover a 3 months of development. That is kind of phase 1. Once we finish phase 1, then we can go back to the Treasury for more funds when we decide where we need to allocate more resources. So whether that's the new pipelines coming out, whether that's like a cohort program or a developer program. But first, we want to get into these communities, create that list of developers using Livepeer, then go back for more. So 3-month timeline, 6,440 LPT, 4 people for the next 3 months, diving head into these AI frameworks. 1,000 of that LPT is going to be dedicated to inference credits. So get free credits, free inference for people wanting to use Livepeer up front, and also encouraging people to spin up their own gateways. We have other team members working on a one-click deploy of a gateway. We want to give people LPT for using that and encourage developers to use truly decentralized gateways that Livepeer is. So I think with this amount of funds, with the team and the quickness that we can get going, we can make a real quick impact on getting Livepeer as one of the forefront LLM, inference, video pipelines into these frameworks. So we're already in there. We're going to keep working hard. And if you haven't seen, please join our water cooler chat every week. We'll get people updated. The whole team will be there every week to give people updates. So please follow along. Thank you so much for watching this video. Voting starts in 1 day and lasts for 10 days. Please get out there and vote. Thank you so much. And let's make Livepeer the open in video, decentralized inference network, the world, the best one, the most reliable, the most notable. And I think this is a step towards it, along with the other SPEs. So thank you so much. Cheers.